We at the Groovy Movie Picture House are going to conduct an experiment. We are going to try and drive 1,000 miles through Europe without stopping and buying any fuel from any major oil companies. But first we need to find a suitable vehicle. I wonder if there's one around here somewhere. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, this is my personal favourite, but unfortunately it's too small. This one I quite like, but it's far too big. This is more like it. 6.5 tons of reliable German engineering, solar electric from solar panels on the roof, and sumptuous living accommodation. Let's go fuel up.
Specialist fuel station?
Little.
Marvellous.
Vegetable oil. Cheap.
Right, now we're parked somewhere a bit more subtle than Lidl's car park. It's time to fill up. Here we have 3 litres of finest chip oil. We shall now pour it into our luxury camper. Hope this works. Got 1,000 miles to cover. And the main problem with using this environmentally friendly fuel is the waste factor. Off down the recycling. So you tell me where we are, Lindy.
Where are we?
Tell me where my socks are.
They're down there.
What things can you buy at a garage?
Diesel.
Yep,
Cars.
yep.
And Zoe.
Not too sure about the legality of all of this, so I'm getting a 3-year-old to do it. Right, let's press this little button here. That means we're starting in diesel. And hopefully it's going to fire into action. And now we've done a couple of kilometres, the engine's warm. Click! We're now running on 100% vegetable fats.
Deer. And if deer's not good enough, we'll go to Eroski.
If all else fails, there's a Lidl's.
Lidl's isn't Undercurrents.
No! They sell vegetable oil, don't they?
Yeah, they go in trucks and pans. Truck and pans.
5 litres, 378. Good old Eroski.
There was another one.
Another one? I think we're thinking, well, a bit more. Gonna fit
About
it in
60
the truck.
litres to fill a tank.
Okay, so that's... Hey Digby, can you help me push this?
How's deer looking?
Deer's looking very good actually. Best price yet, I reckon. It's $3.40 for 5 litres. Boxes of it. I will have that. We got all the way here, which is 1,000 miles on vegetable oil. We did have a lot of recycling and everything does smell of chips.